Hello everyone, welcome to the Elliott Wave Forecast.com. My name is Henry and I'm the analyst at the company. And today we will be taking a look here and giving you a analysis on the medium-term outlook for the indices. This is the ES, the E-mini futures, the monthly chart. Now, over here, I'm showing you this major top in the previous 10 years, right? So we are in the 2019 now, and in the last 10 years or so, actually more than 10 years, it's almost 20 years, we had three major tops in the year 2000, 2007, and 2015. Now, I use these three tops here because I want to make sure that the decline that we had, the initial decline, should be more than 10%. So we can see in the year 2000 we had a decline of 15.9%. 2007 we had 21% decline. 2015 we had a 14.2% decline, and now we had a 21.4% decline from the high in 2018, similar to the 2007 over here. Now we can see that in the previous three major tops here, that decline was also breaking the bullish ascending channel here in the year 2000, 2007, also breaking this bullish ascending channel, same thing as the 2015, same as the 2018 as well. And then in its instance here, we got a retest of that channel. So the S&P rally again, ES rally again to retest the channel. Over here we can see this rally to retest the channel here. Over here we can also see the retest of the channel, and in each one of them, okay, we can see that the retest was being resisted, and then the index then turns lower again, and in each one of the instances here it took out the previous low, the initial pivot low of the decline, the initial decline, right? So we can see it continues lower here, it continues lower here, and then this one also continues lower, taking out the previous low. Even though it's only marginal low, but still the decline was quite substantial, and it took out the previous low over here. Now we are now over here in the 2019. We had a decline of 21.4%, which is looking like the first leg of the decline, same as this. It broke this ascending channel, and now we are retesting the same channel, same as the previous three instances here. So I'm expecting here very soon. Now we don't know exactly the timing, but we are looking at the medium term here. It can take a couple of weeks, can take 2 months. You can see here, this is a monthly chart, so you can see how long it takes. In this case here, it took after a retest, it took another 2 months before it reverses again, and this one took pretty quickly. So we don't know exactly how long it's going to take before this is reversing, but we are more or less at that trend line channel over here. Is being retesting, and I'm expecting that the ES should not continue to go higher from this point on. I mean, it still can go higher in the shorter cycle, right? In the shorter cycle, it can make a new high and so on, but it should be close to some sort of consolidation here, right? And most likely it won't break to 947, which is the high from last year, and then start to sort of form some sort of reversal pattern here, and then I'm expecting that the index can at least giving us a 3S pullback. That's minimum. At minimum, we should be looking for a 3S pullback here, okay? And if not completely, another leg on the downside, just like 2015, 2007, and the year 2000. All right, so we are more or less in that area. We are more or less in that time, and so we need to be a bit careful here, chasing the upside. All right, and even if anybody wants to try to sell, now remember that it still can make like short-term high here. I mean, it doesn't matter if it makes another high to 2700, for example, or so on, as long as it is staying below 2947, this is going to form some sort of a top here soon, and then at least giving us a 3-week pullback pretty soon. Now, looking at the this is the daily chart here, and we can see, so this is the channel here, and yeah, we are more or less trying to retest it right now, and the decline here looks to be corrective so far. Doesn't look like a 5 waves to me. Okay, which means that if we are going to extend lower one more time, if we are really going to extend lower one more time, or at least doing a 3-week pullback, okay, let's assume we're going to extend lower one more time, then that means this structure here, at least at this moment, will be labeled as a corrective, right? Because this looks like a 3 swing from this peak. It looks like a 3 swing, not a 5 waves impulse to me, and so it is a corrective structure. So that means we are not going to have some sort of major 5 waves down or something like that from here, and we can label this as a 3 swing, okay, ending a W, so it's a double correction, and then now we are doing the retest, or like a retracement, already reaching more than 50%. Now if this is true that we should be reversing soon, then yeah, more or less we are at the area where we can look to have some sort of pullback soon here, at least correcting the cycle, at least with the ability that if this is going to extend lower, just like the past the past 3 years here, then that means we can potentially take out the W here, right? We can potentially take out the low and then extend to the next leg to the downside here. Alright, so I hope that this video is helpful, and if you like for the update about ES or any other instrument, feel free to try our service. We have 14 days free trial, and the link to the 14 days trial, you can look at the video information. So thank you very much, and see you again next time.